Welcome to Papa Junk Shop. Well, it finally happened. We got a power outage. Been waiting for a long time. Went out sometime middle of the afternoon yesterday. It's about 10:30. Next day, electric's still off. We had some pretty wicked winds, and there's a bunch of outages, and we got put on the back burner because there's only 20 of us on the leg that's off. So they claim it's going to be fixed by 6 o'clock tonight. Haven't seen anybody around yet, but the system's been working excellent. Yesterday morning I was at 59%, and yesterday about dark I was at around 52%, I think. This morning when I got up I was at 30%, and the reason that it stayed so good is that we've had lots of wind. Windmill's been contributing, and the day before we got over an inch of rain, so the water wheel's been working pretty well too. So that kept me in good shape, and now we're getting some sun once in a while, so I'm already up to 49%. So we'll go out and see how the water wheel's doing in the windmill. Okay, there's the water wheel. Right now the wind's died down. The water wheel, that's the smart drive. If I switch it over to the other old one, it'll make a little more than that, because it does a little better. So let's see, this one is contributing 8.5 amps. And what do we got? 460 something. There's a cloud right now. 443. Let's go look at a water wheel. So yesterday when the electric went off, I was in the garage working. I didn't know it. And wifey was in the house doing her thing. And she said the TV went out. Didn't think nothing of it. Just thought it was the cable out. And the neighbor called and said, well, electric's supposed to be back on at 5:30. And says, we didn't even know the electric was off. So this morning when I woke up at 7, I could hear the neighbor's generator running, so I knew it wasn't back on yet. Oh yeah, it's happy. Still got a little clearance there under the gate. I think I'll just leave the smart drive running. As you can tell, the wind's picked up again. Little 12-volt system's doing. So solar wise we got what? About 11 amps. Windmill. Yeah, the wind's up and down all around. So we're not making much there right now. I can hear it speeding up a little. There we go, a little bit. Now if need be, I turn this on and I can feed it into the system in the house by way of a 120 volt to 48 volt charger. So let's see how the garage system's doing. I turned it off last night because the electric was off and I wanted to conserve it in case we needed it. So normally it stays on all the time. But we're at what? 74%. Got 23 amps coming in on that one. This one's only 0.3 for whatever reason. This one hasn't recognized the solar. There, it just did. You guys can see it. This one's just coming around. Yeah, like I say, the sun isn't real bright right now, so that's probably all we're going to get. This one's dropped back down to 8. So, just thought I'd show you the system's working great. It actually worked better than I expected. Matter of fact, I think I'm about ready to switch over some more stuff in the house. I don't have the dishwasher hooked up yet, the garbage disposal, and a few other little things, so I think it might be time to switch some of those things over. So, just a quick video. Thought some of you might be interested in how the system works. It doing better than I thought. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.